I'm gonna show y'all how I went from that picture in the thumbnail to this. Super easy, super quick, 0 to 100 real quick. If y'all have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I do want to say, don't forget to enter my giveaway to win a vanity mirror. I'll post the link down in the description. You can get my necklace from 222supply.com, my online boutique. Got any questions, let me know. All the products that I use will be listed down below because I'm not talking during this tutorial that you're about to watch. So any questions before you comment, go ahead and check that out because I probably already answered it. Enjoy. Okay, and then I just let my hair down and flow. And that's the look. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to post as many links to whatever I use down in the description, everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.